Today is 9/11, and I wanted to take a moment of silence for all the fallen soldiers and first responders and people that lost their lives. Thank you. Bullshit. Scotty Pippen's a fucking cheat.
Accidental.
You gotta use the
Accidental.
That's a fucking cheating little shit.
I don't remember the button.
Skill versus cheating.
I don't remember the button. Yes, sir.
What's up, guys?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah! Look what I got.
Whoa! What is that, bro?
This is a gift
Where'd you get that?
from my #1 greatest fan.
From your mom?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, but look what
I
I
gotta
got.
have it back by now.
Ah, yeah.
Oh yeah, we're about to party, man.
We're gonna play some beer pong on this.
What?
Yeah,
Beer pong on
beer
that?
pong on that.
How are we gonna do that?
I'll show you.
Alright, let's go. I forgot my beer.
Yeah. Let's go.
Oh, yeah. Come on, Tommy.
All right, you want to tell us all why we're here or what we're doing right now?
We're putting balls in holes.
Yeah.
Balls in the hole.
Balls in
We
holes.
got Jake now, we got Ant, Tommy, and Kiko. Okay, ready with these Roombas?
This
Thank
Roomba's
you.
go. This Roomba's not running.
Thank you for,
It's a dead one.
Yeah, that
Got a bad Roomba.
stupid piece of shit.
I know. What if we,
What's wrong? So, I guess we're just going to play 2 balls, 1 hole to win the game. Otherwise, we keep drinking.
Oh, shit. Here we go. Oh, fuck.
So, everybody drinks. So, both players on each team drink every time.
got one off.
That'll work. We're just absolutely.
That's handicapped.
I know. Do you want
Power
to just
level
work
23.
right there?
We're gonna mix things up. You get 5 turns. If you miss 3, you gotta take a shot.
If, don't go past here because you won't be seen.
Alright, so I'll go first.
Oh!
I gotta make the rest of them now already. I gotta make the rest. Ah, fuck me. Fuck!
Fucking shot. Take a fucking shot, dude.
Alright. You better pour me one.
Oh man.
Here we go. Oh, man.
Wow.
You gotta make the rest of these 3.
You gotta make the rest.
You gotta make all
There
of
should be
these.
some at least a little water down there.
Yeah!
Oh.
Good luck right now.
Technically. Oh, nice. Very nice.
Shit, man.
Damn it. Nice. Oh, I should get it. Oh,
Yeah, take 2 shots for that one.
Jesus.
It's too fucking far right now, man. Wait. I gotta make these 3 now.
It's over. It's over.
Oh,
One.
man.
It's 2.
Oh.
Come on, man. 1. All you needed was 1 more.
need some water.
Alright, so, Roomba Pong. Woo! Roomba Pong was a failure. But we tried. So we made up our own little gig here. We don't know what it is and what to call it, other than balls in the hole. Balls in the hole. Now, going downstairs. To the cave.
Okay.
To the cave!
Cave!